Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you fix P0335 Crankshaft Position Sensor Circuit Malfunction? In this video, I'm going to tell you guys how to fix P0335. I'm going to explain the causes, the symptom, and what to check. The crankshaft position sensor is usually located right at the crankshaft pulley area, right behind the timing cover, or at the bell housing area. First, check the crankshaft position sensor wire. Make sure the wire is not broken, frayed, or loose. Next, gently pull on the crankshaft position sensor connector. Make sure the connector is not loose and make sure the tab on it is not broken. Next, make sure there is no engine oil on the crankshaft position sensor. Oil leak from the valve cover can get onto the crankshaft pulley area and it can leak all over the crankshaft position sensor, wire, and connector. For most vehicles, the crankshaft position sensor is located at the crankshaft pulley area. Now, if the crankshaft pulley goes bad and it starts to separate, the crankshaft position sensor cannot get a proper reading because there is a reluctor on the crankshaft pulley. If the rubber ring on the crankshaft pulley starts to go bad, again, this can cause the crankshaft pulley to separate and the crankshaft position sensor cannot get a proper reading. If you can locate the crankshaft position sensor, then most likely it's going to be located behind the timing cover. Now, if you remove the timing cover, you're going to see a timing belt. If the timing belt starts to fall apart and start to shred, the shredded belt can get all over the crankshaft position sensor and it can cause it to malfunction. And in worst case scenario, that shredded timing belt can start to damage the crankshaft position sensor and damage the connector and wire. How do you know you have a bad crankshaft position sensor or bad crankshaft position sensor wire and connector? And the answer is simple. You're going to experience no start, no spark, and no injector pulse. And of course, you might get multiple crankshaft position sensor code and the check engine light is going to be on. And of course, you're going to experience intermittent stalling and rough idle. What is the fastest way to test for a bad crankshaft position sensor? Well, the answer is simple. You don't have to go down to the crankshaft position sensor to test it directly at it. In fact, you can use a noid light and test it right at the fuel injector. If you're not getting any injector pulse and the noid light is not flashing, then most likely there's going to be something wrong with that crankshaft position sensor, or you're going to have issue with the wire or connector, or you might have a timing issue. So that's how you fix trouble code P0335. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.